Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out.
Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So today is Sunday and I'll be like pretty much just chilling around the house today. I have my little sister over here, so we're gonna make us some cute little cocktails. Of course, hers won't have any funny juice in it, and I'm gonna make some chicken pasta today. I do have a few clips that I did on Friday night because some of Tony's cousins came in town, so we did like seafood, and then you guys know yesterday we had to go to the funeral for his grandmother, so I didn't really vlog too much this weekend, and I started not to put out a vlog today because we're not really doing anything, but I decided to just go ahead and pick up the camera because I didn't want to miss a day because I know my schedule has kind of been all over the place, you know, ever since we got that news. So like last week it was, my schedule was a little jacked, but I'm trying to get back on track, y'all. So today I am wearing the Baby Doll Lashes by India Royal, and I have on the lip gloss, which I need to reapply some because I just finished eating some crackers and cheese. So yeah, but these lashes are really nice. Y'all know that I really don't wear mink lashes, so I thought that these were like so pretty. These are like my speed. So they're really cute. Again, the name of these lashes is Baby Doll Lashes. I know you guys are gonna ask me about the lashes, and that's the name of them. Baby Doll from IndiaWorldBeauty.com. So y'all go ahead and check her out. I have some things that I need to show y'all. I bought 3 pair of jeans over the weekend, and I also bought something that is so beautiful. I think that this is like my favorite purchase ever from Homegoods, y'all. And y'all know I shop at Homegoods all the time, but I think this one, it just takes the cake. It's just so good. So I'm gonna take y'all into my studio and show you guys. So let's go. The jeans. So this is the first pair, and it's those jeans, the wax jeans. I told y'all that I love wax jeans. I'm only able to find the wax jeans at this little store called Rainbow. And the reason why I like the wax jeans is because they have a lot of stretch, but they don't have that jegging look to them. So these just have like the little distressed parts right here. And then at the bottom, I love the way this looks. This is just so cute. I got them in a size 11 and they were only like 20 bucks. I know you could get like, you know, $20 jeans at Old Navy, and sometimes you can find some at H&M. H&M jeans just don't have enough stretch in them for me. So yeah, these are the high-rise skinny. So I'm gonna try on all of these for you guys so y'all can see how they look, and they make your butt look really cute. Then I got these dark wash. So these look really, really cute. And all of my jeans are a size 11. And I think these were also only $19.99. And then I bought another pair. This wash is a little brighter than this one, so they're really cute. So we're gonna try these on. Okay, y'all, so this is the lighter wash, and they're really cute. They don't go up that high, but they are high-waisted, but they don't go up that high, so they're really cute. And you see like they have like a lighter wash in the middle. And then I just realized that the back looks like this, which I'm not crazy about how this looks back here, but I mean, it's still kind of cute. Y'all let me know what y'all think. So this is how that looks. Let me look at it in the mirror. I do kind of like it still. They're really cute. They're really comfortable. I can squat down. I can, you know, and it's still like I don't have to tug on them too much. So yeah, I like these. All right, y'all, so here is the next pair. These are my favorite pair. I like these a lot, and I like to wear my jeans with I like to wear my jeans with heels. I just think it looks super sexy, even though we're not going anywhere right now. But yeah, this is really cute. This is the back. So yeah, I'm hot. I don't think I'm gonna try on the next ones. Y'all, I'm so hot. I don't think I'm gonna try the next ones on. They all pretty much look the same way. So I'm just gonna eat my snack and show y'all something else. So I finally went to the store and picked up the cleaners. So I did pick up the Microbond, I hope that's how you pronounce it, the bathroom cleaner. This, I can deal with this scent. The Method, this one, I love the way that this smells. And then I told you guys about this one already. This is the first one that I picked up. Now girl, whoever suggested this, no ma'am. This stuff smells, it smells horrible, okay? It smells like, how can I describe it? Like metal. I don't know. It smells terrible. So this is going back, honey. I'm going to get all my $3.89 back, because this, I know you kill 99.99%, but baby, you smell like it. I just finished editing my vlog and I made myself this pretty little detox water. So it just has strawberries, mint, and lemon. So cute. I'm getting ready to take a quick little Instagram photo. She's pretty, honey. She's fancy. Cheers. Okay, y'all, so I'm getting ready to cook dinner for today. What's today? Or what, I'm talking about what's today. So it is 4:05. It's not that late, so I'm getting ready to do that. I'll let you guys watch me do that. Of course, I'm not gonna do like a recipe, like a step-by-step or anything like that, but I will say that I'm starting to do more recipes on my other channel. So follow me over there at Eating Pretty Mukbangs. The clip that I showed you guys on my last vlog with my seafood, I actually did film that step by step, and it is on my Eating Pretty Mukbang channel. So make sure to follow your girl over there. Come show me some love. I'm trying to get them numbers up, period. So Friday, I went to Homegoods and I was just walking around and I found the most beautiful mirror ever. Now I've showed this mirror before in one of my vlogs, but I couldn't purchase it because I was driving my car and I knew I couldn't get it in my car. So I was like, okay, well, you know what, I'm gonna come back the next time and I'm gonna get it. Of course, if you see something at Homegoods, you have to snatch it up because it's not going to be available the next time you go back, especially something like this. So I was just like, okay, so every time I go to Homegoods, I look in the mirror section, look for this mirror, and I can never find it. Friday, I went, was it Friday? I think it was Friday. I went in Homegoods and there it was, looking so pretty. This thing is so heavy, and thank God I was driving Coco. So, you know, it was a lot of room in Coco. It was a very uncomfortable ride on the way home because I had to have the mirror over the seat. It was like hitting me in the back of the neck, but girl, we got that thing home. And I had to take it into the garage and have my husband bring it in because it's very, very heavy. So let me show you. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you've already seen it. So if you guys want to see some things before YouTube, follow me on Instagram. I am Sharika B. Let me show y'all the mirror. It's so beautiful. This mirror was $200 and I absolutely love it. It is the dupe mirror for the Restoration Hardware mirror. I don't know the exact name of it right now off the top of my head, but it is the dupe. Even the details up here, all of this part of the Restoration Hardware mirror is pretty much the same. Like, I think this part right here sticks out a little bit more, but everything is pretty much the exact same. So I do plan on painting this gold, but not right now. I'm gonna take my time with it. I'm gonna have to do it on a day that I'm extremely bored and in the mood, because it's probably gonna take a while to do and I don't want to mess it up. So I'm gonna take my time, but I love it. And y'all know the one at Restoration Hardware is probably like $1,500, $1,300, something like that. It's really expensive, and this one was only $200. So, and it's huge. Like, the mirror is so big and it's super heavy. Let me show y'all how it looks in the back. This is how it looks in the back. So I don't know how you hang this on the wall or whatever, but I'm not trying to do all that. So yeah, this is my mirror and I love it. All right, y'all, so the food is in the oven. So now my husband is gonna cut the pineapples for me and Kalila so we can make us some cute little drinks or whatever. Do you know where the little pineapple thing is? The little spinning thing? Oh, it's right. Huh? So let me show y'all the pan. There's nothing left, okay? So it was very good. I gotta clean the stove and everything, but I'll leave this little corner in here for whoever wants to grab it. I'm just cover it up with a little paper towel. So now I'm gonna fix my drink. So I still have all these pineapples. I need to put these pineapples in some Tupperware, or I might just do like a frozen drink. Am I using the pineapples? I think that's what I'm gonna do. So I need ice, orange juice, the pineapples, a little rum, Oh, I got some pina colada. That would be good. So let's see. So I have some of this little mixer right here. Okay, let me just clean this stuff up first, and then we're gonna blend a little pina colada, pineapple pina colada. So, did you like the food?
It was delicious. It was real good. I liked it.